If you would like to see how I made these sweet dessert balls, stick to the end of this video and I will show you. Welcome and welcome back, beautiful people. It's me, Greyglamma GGM. These are the ingredients that you will need to make the sweet dessert balls. Warm water, add yeast and sugar and start mixing it. Mix it very well until the yeast dissolves. While you are doing that, can you spare a finger, just a finger, lift a finger and click the like button, and also subscribe if you have not. Thank you as you do so. Now you add all-purpose flour, add cornstarch and baking powder. In the description area, in the description box, you will find the ingredients and the measurements to make these sweet dessert balls. Gradually add water, add more water to this mixture while you are turning it, while you are kneading it, until the dough is elastic and smooth. When the dough is soft or you have achieved the consistency that you need, then the next step is to cover it and rest it, allow it to rest. You allow it to rise for an hour or two or till it doubles in size. Now let's prepare the syrup. You add water, sugar, cinnamon powder. As you're adding all those things, you keep on turning it, because as the water is boiling with the sugar in it, it starts to thicken. And when you notice that it is already getting a little bit thick, you add the cinnamon powder. Next, you add lemon juice. Then you add honey to it. You cook it on medium heat until it thickens a little bit, then you set it aside. Now the dough is ready. It's tripled in size, and now you punch out the gas, with a spatula. You mix it to remove the gas. Then after removing the gas, now the next step is to fry the dough. You can use a pipe to cut the dough and size it so that the sizes will be the same, but I decided to use my hand to mold and fry it. It's still the same thing. Fry in deep oil until you achieve your desired color. You will say until it becomes golden brown. You have to keep on turning it so that the colors will be even, so that some will not be brown while others are not yet brown. Now this is the desired color. You see how this is so yummy, so beautiful, gorgeous. Wow, wow. I loved this. I love this. You know, we make something like this in Nigeria, puff or buns. No, it's puff. But the difference is this recipe is, it has a syrup. You know, after frying it, you now add it to the syrup and allow it to soak for a minute or two. Then you remove it and you have your sweet dessert balls. You know, the taste of cinnamon, lemon juice and honey and then sugar, it gave it this yummy and exquisite taste. Thank you for watching this video, for sticking to the end. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to this video, to my channel if you have not. I'll see you in the next one, and please, if you try this recipe, let me know. Bye.